Hi there, Nick Smith here. I've got a small video to share with you on the use of the DIM facility within the Roadway program of Lighting Reality. You'll see it in the middle toolbar here. So the way we go about using this is we will start off and use a design in the normal way. So I've set up a project, 10-meter road width, 1.5-meter footpath on each side, 6-meter column, 0 tilt, 1.5 setback, an outreach of 0.4, and a maintenance factor we think is appropriate for the lantern. I'm going to go through and use this Cree fitting, and at the same time as calculating the normal quality figures for P4, we're also going to calculate TI and energy at the same time as well. So we go through and optimize that. We've got 57 different options in this particular fitting, and there it is if anyone wants to know what it looks like, we can then go through and choose one which we think is the best solution. Let's say we're going to go with this one, and that's going to give us 37 meters spacing, minimum of 25, and we can go ahead and design that as normal. Now, I mentioned the DIM facility, and what we quite often want to do is we want to light the road to a particular level, and then at some point in the evening we want to dim the lighting down to a lower level. So by selecting this dim option here, we can then go through and select an alternate class, let's say P5. Obviously remembering that the original design was done to P4, and we can then go through and dim that and then select P5, and then by using this opt facility button here, this will dim the lantern down and the additional luminaire if you've set that up in the additional row, and that will dim it down to a level that will give you a solution that works for that particular geometry. So what it was saying here is that if we dim the main luminaire down to 60% of output, that will give us a compliant solution to P5, and we can go away having saved 40% energy on the installation. So when we come to print that out, we've got a couple of options that we can look at this point. We have a standard template which is called DIM S class, which will give us the title page. It will give us the roadway summary in the normal way, and then we get an additional sheet of paper or page which shows the luminaire dimmed and what those particular results happen to be. And then we can then move on, power consumption, polar diagram, horizontal luminance, and then the same thing for the dim state. And we can then go press print, and that will come out of your paper printer, or it will come out as a PDF file if that's what you want it to do. Hope you found that useful. I've got another video I'm going to do covering the outdoor program as well, which hopefully will follow on from this. If you found it useful, please click the like button just down the bottom, whichever side it happens to be. Subscribe to the channel if you want more information, and when we publish new videos, then you will get a notification to say that those have been made available. And if you have any questions, please drop us an email, support@nicksmithassociates.com, and we can then answer those questions. We can also produce videos if there's a particular topic you want us to cover, and of course you can tweet us, Nick Smith 1246, using Twitter. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you found it useful, and I'll catch you on the next